Today we're going to be taking a look at this property that just came in the market in Delano, California. It's listed at $392,000. It's a 4-bedroom, a 2-bathroom. The year built is 1961. And here we're starting off with the kitchen with updated cabinets and matching white countertops. To the side of the kitchen we have the 2-car garage with dryer and washer hookups. Here's another angle of the kitchen with its appliances. Then to the side we have the living area, which also includes a fireplace. Next, let's walk through this hallway and check out the rest of the property. To this right side is the first room of the property. Throughout the property you will see covered floors. That's a plus if you're a person that doesn't like rugs. To this side we're coming up to the second room. Up next from the second room we make a right turn and approach the first bathroom of the property. From the hallway we approach the third room, similar as the previous two, but this one is facing the street as well as a primary room. Now let's head to the primary room where we also have the second bathroom. Look at all the space in the primary. Now here we have a view of the primary bathroom, which also includes 2 sinks. Then here's another angle of the primary. Next, let's check out the amazing backyard. In the comments, let me know what has been the best thing that you've liked about the property so far. This property won't last in the market, so comment home or message me for more details or a private showing. And here we have the backyard with a covered patio. There's also a small gate for back alley access. And here's another angle of the backyard.